Welcome back to Top Deals Point. Are you tired of fumbling for keys or worrying about home security? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to the top 5 smart door locks that will revolutionize your home security game. From fingerprint sensors to voice control, we've tested them all to bring you honest reviews that could save you hundreds of dollars and countless headaches. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just want peace of mind, we've got the perfect smart lock for your needs. Don't forget to check out all the exclusive deals and direct product links in our description box and pinned comment below. Trust me, you won't want to miss these prices. Let's dive in. At number 5, we kick things off with the Yale Assure Lock 2 Deadbolt. This combines sleek aesthetics with comprehensive smart home functionality. Key features include built-in Apple HomeKit support, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, and a touchscreen keypad. The lock offers real-time status monitoring, customizable PIN sharing, auto-locking capabilities, and voice control integration. Installation is straightforward for existing deadbolt replacements. However, the device faces criticism for its expensive pricing and buggy app with confusing setup processes. Some models suffer from keypad visibility issues in direct sunlight, and battery dependency creates reliability concerns. The $240 Wi-Fi model's high price point pushes it beyond budget-conscious consumers. This lock targets tech-savvy homeowners seeking premium smart home integration, particularly Apple ecosystem users. Its standout quality lies in comprehensive connectivity options and sleek design, though competitors may offer better value propositions. Coming in at number 4, it's the Lockly Secure Plus. This offers versatile security with patented PIN Genie digital keypad, 3D biometric fingerprint sensor, physical key, and RFID cards. Key features include 0.2 to 0.3 second fingerprint recognition with AI learning and peek-proof technology that randomly shuffles PIN numbers. The fingerprint pad provides quick access and customizable auto-lock timing. However, repeated calibration issues cause incorrect lock status reporting, and fingerprint unlocking can experience delays with limited Bluetooth-only remote access. Users report app and Wi-Fi connectivity problems, while the lock cannot detect door position status. Remote access requires an additional $80 Wi-Fi hub. This lock targets security-conscious homeowners seeking multiple access methods, particularly families with varied tech comfort levels. Its standout quality is comprehensive access options combined with advanced biometric technology, though reliability issues distinguish it from more stable competitors. At number 3, we've got the SMONET Smart Keyless Entry Door Lock. This offers budget-friendly security with multiple access methods. Key features include 0.5-second fingerprint recognition, Bluetooth connectivity, and storage for 250-plus fingerprints and 300 pins. The lock provides code entry, thumbprint access, key cards, and temporary guest codes with anti-peep protection. Security features include auto-lock functionality and built-in alarm systems. However, the lock features a vulnerable keyway susceptible to lock-picking and lacks ANSI/BHMA security ratings. The auto-lock is timer-based only and doesn't detect door position, while many installation issues stem from improper door hand configuration. Bluetooth-only connectivity requires an optional $40 Wi-Fi hub for remote access. This lock targets budget-conscious homeowners seeking multiple entry methods without premium pricing. Its standout quality is comprehensive access options at competitive pricing, though it compromises on security certifications compared to established competitors. Just missing out on the top spot at number 2 is the Lockly Secure Pro Smart Lock Wi-Fi. This combines advanced biometric security with comprehensive connectivity features. Key features include a hack-proof PIN Genie keypad and 3D biometric fingerprint sensor with 0.2-second recognition powered by AI learning. The lock includes a secure link Wi-Fi hub and door sensor for remote control, real-time monitoring, and voice control with Alexa/Google. Users appreciate the fingerprint reader convenience, auto-lock feature, and 9-volt battery backup. However, connectivity issues cause app connection delays and door status problems, while door sensor pairing difficulties and short hub range create ongoing frustrations. The bulky hub design requires strategic placement within 10 feet. This lock targets tech-savvy homeowners and Airbnb hosts seeking premium security with multiple access methods. Its standout quality is the combination of advanced biometric technology with comprehensive smart home integration, though reliability issues distinguish it from more stable competitors. And finally, the number one spot goes to the LOCKSTAR LS-SDL Smart Door Lock. This provides comprehensive keyless entry with 6 access methods, including app control, fingerprint recognition, keypad code, RFID card, traditional key, and auto-lock functionality. Key features include 9V emergency battery backup for power outages and real-time notifications with complete remote control via secure app. Installation takes approximately 30 minutes on existing doors without additional drilling, and users appreciate its reliability and smart home integration capabilities. However, installation directions are reportedly lacking in detail, which may challenge less technically inclined users. The lock appears to have limited widespread user feedback compared to established competitors, making long-term reliability assessment difficult. This lock targets budget-conscious homeowners seeking multiple access methods without premium pricing. Its standout quality is offering 6 diverse entry options with smart home integration at competitive pricing, though it lacks the brand recognition and extensive user validation of market leaders.